Yesterday was a very interesting day because we had a lot of wind that came through, a lot of dust, and some damage as well. In fact, this was a picture that was sent in by one of our viewers, a fallen tree due to the winds. This was out towards Kingsland, and you can actually see the tree just kind of thrown off on the ground there. And we thank the viewer for sending this in, and we encourage you to send in any photos that you may have. All you got to do is either download our KXAN weather app, and you can upload photos there, or we send an email to report it at kxan.com, and you can send photos and videos so that way we can see them, and of course they might be featured here on our newscast as well. The satellite and radar at this point still seeing clear skies across the area. Temperatures tonight down to about 44 degrees, winds coming in from the east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And your solar forecast over the next couple of days looks like it should be all right, except for Saturday. I think that's going to be the one day that we'll have a bit of an issue, but tomorrow mostly sunny all the way through. I don't think there's going to be any issue at all. Saturday's the one day we're going to be watching. So let's talk about now until Saturday, and then I'll get to Saturday. We'll start the clock here at 10 p.m. tonight. We'll see maybe a couple of clouds come in, but it'll be mostly clear for the evening hours. Tomorrow you get a bit more cloud coverage early in the day, and then things start to clear up as we get out towards the afternoon. As we get out towards around 7:30, we get a bit more cloud coverage come in, and then Friday, a much cloudier day early in the day, and then clears up. And then we see the clouds return once again as we get out towards Saturday. Temperatures expected to drop Friday into Saturday, and it's thanks to a front that's going to come in. That'll also give us the chance of seeing maybe a shower or two as we get farther out into the weekend. So we'll play this out here. This is a wider version. This is our GFS model. We'll start the clock at 2:30 on Friday itself to watch. As we get into Saturday, the chance of rain pick up. Very isolated, very minimal. Again, I don't expect this to be widespread showers, thunderstorms, nothing of the sort. This is just going to be a little bit of drizzle, a little bit of showers. Just keep your umbrella with you in case you run into one of those early in the day. As we get into the afternoon, things clear up. A front comes in, that'll clear everything out, and then we'll just be left high and dry at that point. So over the next couple of days, 71 for today, 74 for tomorrow, 84 as we get into Friday. The front comes in on a Saturday itself, so really let's just pick this up and just put this right here. 72 is a high for Saturday. By the time we get to Sunday, 66 degrees, and on Monday, 75 degrees with much clearer skies. For a look at national weather, let's send it over to Rich Segal.
Very cold air bottled up through the northern and central plain states into the mid and upper Mississippi Valley, with mid and upper 20s reported at major reporting stations there. We are at 61 here. But most of the precipitation today, well, we'll start out in California, where we've got some rain falling in Los Angeles up towards San Francisco, and some mountain snow across eastern California into Nevada. But it is the East Coast where we're seeing numerous showers and thunderstorms this early, well, for them this early Wednesday afternoon. We have thunderstorm issues across parts of Virginia into the Carolinas, and we're going to find numerous weather-related travel delays today, too, from Miami and Orlando up through Atlanta, Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York. Not so many yet in Boston, but we're also looking at potential delays St. Louis, Nashville, Atlanta, down New Orleans. We don't know why, because there don't seem, unless these are all flights that cannot take off heading to the east, that may be the reason that we are seeing those delays there. And some of that rain may lead to a few minor flight delays in the Los Angeles area.